Welcome back to my channel, my little green birds. So I hope you love my new mask I'm wearing. It's floral and it feels luxurious and it's so vampire. But anyways, so what we're going to be going over today is Lumin Skincare for Men. Now, I have never done anything such a review like this before. Company giving out free skincare and everything. So yeah, if you guys are brand new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bells. So we're just gonna get straight into this. Breathe. Okay. So I have been seeing this product, this brand, showing up online on and off again for quite a while. No matter how many times I flagged it as annoying, basically. No matter how many times I've chose on my settings on Google Chrome to stop seeing the ad, and the brand just still pops up. So what I found typically with companies such as this is that they are normally being backed by a tech company. I'm just being really real and honest with you guys right now. Same with craft beer companies. So I'm not going to name companies, but the reason why that they're just mass producing themselves so quickly is that they're being backed by a tech company. So I'm not saying that Lumin Skincare for Men is being backed by a tech company, but it makes me wonder, since the fact that you guys are able to just be like, oh yeah, we'll give you free skincare, whoever wants to try it. The only way that you get the free skincare if you just pay for shipping. And basically, if you think about it, it's not any loss on my end. I only paid like $5 for expedited 2-day shipping, whatever it may be. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this right now. So, as you guys can tell, this is completely sealed, all the above. And we're just gonna do like a first impressions and everything. Okay, so the one that I chose, they gave you a choice, okay, on what products you get to choose, like a set, a specific set. Now, it says on the back, it says, only 2-4 times per week at night. Massage the exfoliating rub onto completely dry and clean skin for 30 seconds and you will feel the product balling up. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat face dry with a towel. Okay, so basically they're saying to use an exfoliating rub 3 to 4 times a week. Most professional skincare companies will definitely be like, what are you guys talking about? 4 days a week? That is an extreme amount of exfoliation, regardless if it is something that you put on dry, okay? And then you rinse off. That is a lot of abrasion. Now, if your skin can handle it, okay, maybe that is something that you can do. I know that there are some men that shave their face every day and their face looks perfectly fine, okay? But I don't know, like suggesting already, like just reading this card, 2 times a week is what I normally suggest, and also what my professional esthetician and medical professional skincare providers that I know, they always suggest 2 times a week at the most, and that's a lot in general. Like the most that I've ever exfoliate in 1 week is 3. That's if I'm shaving that many times within 1 week. Let's just see what these products are all about. So you guys are seeing me take this out for the first time, and everything comes in this little sachet. Kind of has like that faux suede feel. This is what it looks like. It says Lumin Skincare for Men. Okay. So, comes in 3 little containers. So one is almost a full ounce. It's at 20 milliliters. This is a moisturizing balm. This comes in 10 milliliters, so 0.34 fluid ounces of the Dark Circle Defense. Okay, let's just show you guys what the little container, so you guys can see what the little containers look like and everything. And then this one is the exfoliating rub. Okay, so this is obviously charcoal based because the product is kind of grayish black. It says warning and direction. Start with a dry base. Use a quarter-sized amount of the exfoliator and massage this onto your face until you feel the product balling up. Rinse off the exfoliator particles with lukewarm water and pat face dry. I don't see anything that seems alarming. Okay, let's just see what the texture is all about. So that's what the product, the exfoliator looks like on my hand. So let's just rub this on. So the point of this type of an exfoliator is that it's supposedly taking away the dead skin cells off of the surface, okay? I don't know how much I trust products such as this because I have used them before and I never really saw like a real difference with them. My skin doesn't feel that much different from the from the surface of my hand. Okay. Now, one of the things that I'm more interested in is the moisturizing balm and eye care, basically. So I'm gonna remove my hat. Let's see what this is all about. There's really no scent. They're very minimal in terms of scent, in case you guys are wondering. Let's see what this is all about. Smells very plain. The product feels thick, but I feel like my hands are absorbing it fairly quickly. Feels very, my face looks very hydrated, but the texture just kind of reminds me of this hair product that I used to use by L'Oreal Paris, the Professional Collection. Just kind of reminds me of that hair product that is really good for training your hair to go certain directions. Anything on here that says it's cruelty-free, I'm not really quite sure. My face doesn't feel like anything is happening right now because I did already wash my face and I prepped it and I did all the above already. So I don't know, I'm not really feeling anything so far. I wouldn't trust saying that they are cruelty-free, just saying, total sidebar. But yeah, I am not mad at this. A little of this moisturizer, whatever in the world it's made of, is going a long way. A little literally goes a long way. But kind of wondering if it's going to clog my pores because some of the ingredients that I was looking at it kind of like not alarming whatsoever, but skin might not react very well to it. Okay, let's see what this Dark Circle Defense is all about. Okay. Now, this is the only product that I'm looking at so far that actually has a scent to it. Kind of has like a light geranium, maybe lemon citrus scent to it. And of course, it's a no-brainer how to put on an eye serum. You just dab it around your eyes and then around the brow bone, aka the oculus, and the muscle around, okay, around this area. Let's see, I'm gonna get my cold roller for a moment. I'm not really feeling anything very special about the product so far. The only thing that I'm getting out of it is pretty extremely hydrating. And I haven't even put a hydrosol on. You can tell that my face is very moisturized. All the above. I think this might be something that I would definitely use during the winter, especially if I don't want to use a lot of pro product, okay? Because sometimes I can get like that, when I'm sure with a lot of people, they save their best stuff for certain occasions. I have thoughts on this. I think it's like awesome, but the way how they're advertising is very aggressive, and it's like Curology status. And yeah, that's the vibe that I get from it, basically. I don't really know what else to really say about Lumin Skincare, aside from the fact that, like I said, this seems like a very hydrating correction trio that I'm using right now. If I have any irritations, you guys will see that in my edits. You'll see notes popping up and everything like that, and if I get a reaction, obviously I'm going to use a picture. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, thank you so much for checking out this channel, you guys. This is just another short video, basically, and yeah, if you guys found everything that I am talking about interesting, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, once again, to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.